This is one of the most distinct and unique cafe in Hong Kong that we visited. It's giving you a prison cell concept. This is On the Hill Cafe located in Tai Kwun Compound in Central District, Hong Kong. Literal nga prisuhan gini nila sa una but now a cultural hub and a tourist destination na nila. One that stood out here is this cafe in E Hall which used to be the prison building yun nila mismo. You can see here the original gate pag yun ang mga cubicles sa prison cell para ma-utilize into dining tables. And here's a quick look at their menu. Ayaw na mo kabalaka kay mao gina ang usual rate sa cafes diri sa Hong Kong. Medyo pricey gini in our standard. We paid around 800 pesos for just a cup of coffee and a slice of cheesecake. And if you want to experience this cafe, you can pin Tai Kwun in Google Maps. And when you arrive at the prison yard, look for the E Hall. And that's it. Follow for more travel tips.